Before empires and crowns, there was a tribe carved from stone and frost. They called themselves the Sons of Stone, born to fight the cold, not fear it.
Their king was Kael, the one who heard the mountains speak. He ruled not by crown, but by courage.
At 16, each son faced the night, alone against the black wolf.
To conquer fear was to become man. Many never returned. The mountain took the weak. Kael saw in him more than courage, Firla. He saw the next dawn.
But those who returned carried not fur, but fire.
Together they hunted Saint, not for sport, but for survival.
But even stone can shatter when fire comes from another mountain.
Kael stood where the spears fell thickest, so his people would not.
A king bleeds last, and when he fell, the mountain roared. From their grief came strength. From death, legacy. The boy became king, and the wolves howled in respect.
They sang not of victory, but of endurance.
Later, they still called themselves the Sons of Stone. Every story starts somewhere,